Welcome back to another Slime Rancher episode 2 now. And we're gonna be working on our farm, getting new slimes, all of that. You know how it goes. You know how it goes. Let's collect all these plorts. And then sell them. Grab this one too. Okay. Alright, let's go find some new slimes now. Okay, we already got all these guys. We need some new guys. I'm gonna grab all the food we can though, cause it's kind of running low here. 4 carrots, all of these. Wow. No. You know what? I think this way. Something's gotta be new. Same old one so far. Whoa. Do we go in here? I'm doing it. Okay. Starlight Strand. A vision of dusk and dawn together as one. Whoa. Wow, this is pretty cool. It's a new area. There's gotta be some new slimes around here, right? Oh, I see some new slimes. Yeah. Rock slime. Just grab around like 5 of these guys. Danger. Oh. Feral slimes. Scary. We gotta run. Woohoo! Oh! Honey slime. We're definitely getting them. Yeah. I want a little 10 of these guys. Oh! Yeah. I think we got enough. Made it back. Looks like there's something telling me to go to the lab. So let's try to find that. See what it's about. What? How did I not see this? There's no way. I was right here one time. What? Wow. Oh! Oh, that's so cool. Alright. A refinery. Put all these things in here. It's kind of scary down here. Alright, all we need to do now is get these guys some corals. Purchase one. And then another one. Over here, we're gonna put the rock slimes in. And then the honey slime. You guys are my favorite so far. Look at them. You guys eat fruits? Give you some, give you some. Okay, guys, come on. We don't need to do this. Okay. Okay, we're gonna have to get a thing for them. They're hungry. I know. I don't even feed them anymore. Yeah, they're so hungry, they're jumping out. Hey, calm down, calm down. We're gonna build another garden. Actually, no, we should probably upgrade this one. Yeah, that might be a good idea. Okay, I went back out to get some more food for them, and so I can feed these guys over here that have been starving. I just haven't fed them one by one. I gotta eat. Okay, the mad ones first. You get one. Everybody gets one, okay? Be nice, be nice. Okay, I collected all their plorts. We're gonna come over here. Sell them all. You guys hungry? Or it's like sticking to each other. Oh, okay. So I've never been out at nighttime, and I guess these guys come out. But we're not gonna catch them right now because we're on a mission. And we have a lot to deal with already. Like having kids. I've never had a kid. The reason I wanted to get this was so we have food for everybody. Because we got, they eat vegetables, they eat vegetables, they eat fruit, they eat everything. I think at night it automatically grows them, so we're gonna go to sleep now. And sleep till morning. We're grown already. Okay, I went around and grabbed all the plorts, and we got 18 honey, 7 pink, and 17 rock plorts. See how much money we get. So we went from 150 to 1,342. And we already got more over here. Okay. Say hi walls. And then I want to upgrade this more. Yeah. And with this one. Boom. Oh. This thunder is scary. And then, boom. Okay. So now these are all upgraded to max efficiency. We're heading back out to find more food. That's all we need right now. Food, food, food. Ooh, okay. Okay, this looks cool. What do we get? Hydro turnip. Ooh, that's nice. Okay. Can I make that? I'm scared. We're gonna try. Oh. Oh my gosh, we did it. Oh. Nothing over here. And try again. Okay. Okay. We did it. I think we should probably build a coop soon. So I think we start collecting these guys. Whenever we see them. So, you know, in case we get like a cat or something. Whenever it needs to eat. That type of stuff. I think that was a good run. We got 20 carrots, 20 pogo fruit, 10 hen, and 3 roostro. Let's head back now. We got a problem. Okay. I'm feeding him. There we go. You guys happy? These guys look good. We're gonna get them a little bit though. Side over here is gonna be, we're gonna have 1 carrot, which, okay, that's done right now. 1 fruit. And then this, a coop. Just gotta get enough money. Okay. We can get high walls, we can get spring grass, bugs, okay. Vitaminizer, and elder collector. The next thing I want to do is buy a plort collector for every one of them. And an automatic feeder. Okay, first one, plort collector. Okay, my next mission is going to be to get a cat slime because we built the hen, so we have chickens to feed them with. So let's go look for them. But we did get our other one. We found the cat. So let's get that. Let's get like 3 or 4 of them. You come with me. And here, come with me. Okay. Oh my gosh, I found another one. Do we try to do this one first? Well, we can just feed him this, actually. Jeez. Come on! There you go. Boom! Oh! Whoa! Oh, okay. Oh, it's one of these things. Oh! I gotta go check it out right now. Ember Valley. So I'm sure there's a lot of new guys here, so. Oh, look at these! I don't care about you anymore. Oh, Angler Slime. That's so cool. Okay, this place I don't want to explore too much because I still have that whole first island and then the other island I found. So now this one. So 3 islands we gotta explore. So okay, I bought a coral for the angler slime now. Put them in here. These ones are my new favorite. They just gotta be. Look at them. They eat meat. We got some of that. They're making babies over here. El Rustiro. El Rustro. Ooh, these are nice looking. Sorry, guys. Basically, I just sold a bunch of stuff. And I need to see what I can get here. Get this resource harvester. I feel like I want like, yeah, this is what I want. That's what I gotta get. Alright, but that can all wait for next episode. This is gonna be the end of this episode. So if you enjoyed, subscribe, like, do all that. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time.